Learn to read English for short A, ah, short I, and short O words, ah. Benchmark First Grade Unit 1 Review. Let's see how much you have learned. Try reading these words on your own. Then I will read them. Fib, boss, lab, fig. Have you ever had fig Newtons? Ox, fox, cots, sag, rot, fad, dot, cob. The corn is on the cob. Sap. Look at that sticky sap running down the tree. Dim. The light is dim. Job. Bit. Someone bit that cookie. Cod. Bid. She had a higher bid on the teddy bear than he did. Mob. Win. Pod. Rod. Kit. Sod. Bog. Fog. It looks like the fog is starting to clear. Hog. Jog. Doll. Mop. Vat. It's a big vat of water. Pop. Yam. You can cook a yam and mash it like a potato. Jot. Dock. lack. Rim, rim. Hid. He hid behind the bed. Can you find him? That's it for now. See you next time.